it's time to go to an estimate. We got to go look at mailboxes to power wash them, get them cleaned up for an HOA, see what we can do, how many there are, see the scope of work. Got to get pumped up for the estimates. No other way than some Allison chains. Alright, so we just pulled up to the development. I like to use Google Earth. It's great. You can see some 3D views of the whole place. I can kind of see the design of the whole complex. They have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 buildings in here. And we are looking for all of the mailbox clusters. So I don't know how many there are. The company did not tell me how many I'm supposed to be looking for, so I'm just going to drive around, count how many I see, and then we're going to get out, kind of assess how dirty they are, what it's going to take, and I got to think about how much water I'm going to be using for these, because we are in charge of supplying the water for all these mailboxes. So I might have one truck here, I might have my one truck pulling my trailer as well if I need extra water. So usually my one truck is good enough just to do a job like this. So obviously there's one set right there. We'll get out and take a look at them and drive around and see if we see any others. All right, let's see how bad they are. So usually with these, you're always going to want to protect the locks. So before, I'd never tape these off. Learn that the hard way. You are going to be either coming back with lubricant and spraying the inside of the lock so they break free, or you're going to have to tape them all off, which this time I'm going to be taping them all off to protect them for this HOA. What they want is all this lichen, all the algae, all the oxidation that you see with my finger right here. They want that all removed. We got to be careful with these stickers not to remove any of these labels, just to keep them protected. They do not want any of the concrete around the mailboxes done on these. So obviously here there's 4. They're pretty bad, but we can get them clean. That's not a problem. We'll remove all the oxidation, remove all the mold, cobwebs if there are any, and then tape the locks off individually so that they are protected and we won't be getting a call back on this job. So I'm going to take a drive around real quick again, see if we see any other mailboxes, and send them the bid. So those are the only mailboxes in that area. It's only one cluster in the neighborhood. Seems like a cut, easy, dry job. I could send 2 guys there. I can easily send 1 guy there and do it on their own, but I'd rather 2 there, you know, not put it all on 1 guy. 2 guys can hang out, kind of make sure they're doing it right, and 2 set of eyes is always better than 1 on the jobs like that. Usually they're going to want it done on Sundays because of the mailman. So they have Saturday to get their mail, and Sunday morning we'll come in first thing, hit their mailboxes, give them time to get their mail as well. If they didn't on Saturday, they can get it on Sunday morning, and we'll hit the mailboxes for them, and then come Monday they're nice and clean. Mailman will come and we won't have any problems.